What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's time to start the modifications on the new body style street truck. So, yes, today we are going to install this stereo. It's by Sony. It's Apple CarPlay, made for iPhone. And this is what the dash looks like in the new body style street truck. It's got the little console, all my wiring stuff over there. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works out. So I'm gonna put you down here and I'll keep you updated as I move along on this process. I'm not gonna show you how to do any of this stuff because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning. I'm brand new at this body style truck, so this is all new to me. So we'll let you come along for the ride and see what you think. So I watched a little video on YouTube. It says to get in here and pull this out a little bit. With a pick. Well, it doesn't seem to be hearing that story. Well, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to go watch some more YouTube videos on how to take the dash apart in this truck so I don't break it. So yeah, anyway, I'll be back. So here we are the next day. I went on ahead and finished the installation on this thing. It works good. I like it. We got a clean install out of it. I ended up having to watch a few more YouTube videos to figure out how to get the faceplate off. I've never put a stereo in a truck this new, but I got it figured out. So yeah, it works pretty good. We'll go on ahead and give you a little tour tutorial review of this Sony stereo that I picked up. It was about $279-ish, I think, at Best Buy. It wasn't stupid ridiculous, but it does everything I want it to do. So we'll show you what it looks like. So here's the radio. It does Apple CarPlay. I ended up having to pry this out, and I had to get my longer tool to get in here because the clip right here was being real difficult to get it to pop loose. And I didn't want to break this panel. That's why I stopped where I did and went looking for more videos, because I wanted to make sure, because this is not a cheap part to replace with that mahogany wood grain looking plastic. It's real thin and it'll break really easy. But anyway, I got the steering wheel functions are all working, so you can see I'm pushing the buttons. It's changing the radio stations, and it goes up to 6, I believe it is. No, it's not 6. It's got 3 levels of 6 different station settings you can put into it. And then source, you got XM satellite radio, Bluetooth audio, USB, and then auxiliary input, and then the tuner. So it's not a DVD player, so it's just a media unit. All it does is stream music from your phone, play XM radio or AM FM. I didn't want a CD player. I think the last time I put a CD player in a vehicle was 15 years ago. So what's the point? Why buy one? The one with the CD player was like $50 or $75 more, and this one here is really cool. It looks like a double DIN, but it's a single DIN, so it's only got, it's only about that thick on the back side, so I had plenty of room on the bottom half here to put all the wires and everything under, and the control module. And when you turn the key on, it still dings. See there, it's dinging. And yeah, it's super cool. So let's see if we can get this to connect without killing my camera. We're gonna find out. We'll plug in the cord. It would help if I was trying to plug it in the right side of the phone. And it should go automatically to Apple CarPlay. So it went to Apple CarPlay, it paused my camera, so, but yeah, you can see I've got music, phone, now playing, and then YouTube, music, maps, and Messenger. Now I've watched some videos. I guess there's a way, if you jailbroke your phone, there's an app you can download that allows you to do everything you want to do on your phone from the head unit there, but that's like way too sophisticated for me. So, but anyway, yeah, it's super cool. I really like this radio. I can mute, unmute, change radio stations. If you hit this button here, goes to the last one. It paused my camera again, so messaging. Well, I guess I can't push buttons on the radio because every time I do it, it pauses the camera. So anyhow, that's my little review on the Sony stereo that I installed in my cheap Z71 LTZ. The price I paid for this truck was really good. It was amazing. I have no room to complain. We're not going to release that information just yet, but no, I got a good deal. Traded in Street Truck 2.0 on this truck. Perfectly happy with this truck. It's not low tech. It's not super high tech. Well, it is kind of super high tech, but for being a cheap truck, I really can't complain for what it is. I had a buddy of mine ask me, he asked me how much I gave for it, and I told him to guess. And he guessed $18,000, and I told him he was a little high. Actually, he was really high. So, yeah. Anyhow, future modifications coming soon. This Friday, I'm dropping it off at my buddy Dave's exhaust shop here in town, and we're putting dual exhaust, Flowmaster exhaust on it. I'm just doing a cat back. I'm not doing a catalytic converter delete. I know it's possible I can do it, but I don't want to take it down and have it tuned right now. Tuning will come after engine modifications. And yes, I will be building this 6.0 liter. I have a few things planned and trying to get some stuff lined out and in order. I've got to sell a couple of things, so if anybody's interested in Street Truck 1.0, it pains me to say this, but she's for sale. So if you're interested in it, $3,500 and it'll take it. So just drop me a comment down below if you want it. Drop me a comment, send me an email. You can look up my email address. It's not hard to find. It's a Gmail email address, and I think it's tied to I think it's in my bio or whatever. Or you can look me up on Instagram. You can DM me through Instagram at StreetTruck785. And that was a hot rod right there. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, you can DM me on Instagram at StreetTruck785 if you have any questions about Street Truck 1.0. It's time to downsize. I'm keeping my square bodies. I'm not selling those. Well, I might sell one of them, but my K5 Blazer, which you guys still have yet to see on the channel. I might make a video of that here pretty soon. I don't know yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. But I do know it's four-wheel drive now, and by the time I get done with it, it will not be four-wheel drive anymore. So I know I'll probably get butchered for that, but I don't care. It's my truck. I'll do what I want. Anyway, if you like my attitude, give me the thumbs up. Click the little subscribe button down there at the bottom and ring the bell, and you'll get notifications when I upload videos about this truck, that truck, or maybe even the truck in the backyard, or whatever else I'm doing at the time. Have fun.